friendship, family, and friends. The Praisecast Ministry would like to invite you to our Tech Savvy Day workshop, taking place next Saturday, February 3rd, beginning at 10:30 a.m.
Our goal is to help you enjoy this fellowship opportunity by allowing you to participate in hands-on experiences of operations and tasks within the Praisecast Ministry. Workshop areas will include green screen video creations, video and photography training moments, graphic design, and flyer creations, basic computer training, and so much more.
Feel free to bring your smartphones, laptops, and questions as you desire.
You will be able to visit different workshop stations to learn of their operations. Spread the word and bring a friend.
We look forward to seeing everyone there on Saturday, February 3rd, at 10:30.
We love you right back.